I made this.
Let's go and see Willie Erkin.
Let's go.
Yes, hiya Willie, again. Right, so we've built, we've brought the film crew along like we promised. And what we're going to do is to give you worldwide exposure, which you've already got, so it doesn't make any difference to this famous guy.
And
we meet in person.
It's very important for me. It's very important for me to impress this guy, because if he is impressed, he is the guy that everyone listens to. Well, I don't, because I'm the manufacturer. I'm the bullshit artist. This guy's the real McCoy.
Although I remained a small type businessman, I didn't build my business massive like some people I can mention, but this guy has really helped me with my business, because if it wasn't for the Wagtail, I wouldn't be where I am right now, because I really love the Wagtail. It was a fantastic concept, the way it swivels. If you've never tried one, you've just got to try it. And it's into water fed now as well, and you really need to get on with that as well. Try it out, Willie, give it a go.
Willie, Willie, what are you showing today?
Okay, today, the reason why I came to England, these are just prototypes, but we're really happy. We're really happy. These will be in plastic. At the moment they're aluminium, because that's how we do prototypes. It is a game changer. It may not be the final name for it, but we think this will change the minds of a lot of people cleaning windows. We've got a water-fed brush. It's pivoting. It's very secure on a brush. So when we put this on, the water projects above the windows, and you've got control. So if you need to do a window, if there's a tree in the way, if there's a car in the way, people in the way, you can do 30 foot up, you can actually clean at an angle. You can cascade down this way, and I believe up to 2 stories it's a more efficient way to go. The same extrusion becomes our water-fed jet stream, but with a slightly different name. This is a corner to it. The corner will be more aggressive than what it is at the moment. That means that you can get to the edge of a window, do all the frames, the water comes straight off, so it's a lightweight tool, and the water again projects over the top, so no more rinsing. When you've done this, at the end of it, the window is clean, because there's 15 jets of water that go straight onto the window. And finally, just for traditional window cleaning, you've got your traditional mop that suddenly becomes lightweight. It does the corner of a window. The corners of a window is where all the grit gets into the squeegee and goes back onto the window. That's why you get your fine lines. So we do the corner of a window like that. More resistance now because it's flat. You've got a corner to it, so that if you do have some stubborn marks, you've got the corner to do it. And when you put it on a pole like this, all the corners are done. You've got amazing angles. That means that you get higher up, get lower down, and stubborn marks, you do the corner like that. So it's just a really quick way to mop a window down. And obviously a lot of people don't understand this about Wagtail, that the pivot works simultaneously. So when you've got more area to catch the water, so there's no dribbling whatsoever. But see that both pivots work together, so no skill required to come down, re-wet a window. You could do maybe 15 windows with this amount of water, and the water, we just put it into our to replenish. You get more water like that, then we're ready to go. And then that's a lightweight tool. I mean, not lightweight.
It's that lightweight, you nearly dropped it. It nearly flung out your hand.
And so we've got one invention that will do a myriad of tasks, and it does it all better than what's out there, including our own tools. Lightweight, edges, corners are all done with the Wagtail Game Changer.
You got a new pole, you said?
Got a new pole, yep. If you, what you've got to understand is we came over in the aeroplane, so we didn't have any room. So this is normally a 4x8 foot pole. At the bottom is a straight pole that you can put your squeegee onto like that. But now it becomes an angle arm that you can do either way like this, or if you're turning around the corner, you want to do the outside from the inside, you can do, you've got the angles to do that. Take this off, use it from the bottom. It's instant extension to the top. So we don't estimate the top of a window. We go straight to the top of a window, lock it off.
That's good.
Imagine this being a lot longer. As you're working down, you're locking it off at the correct position. These poles go to 30 foot, by the way. So we've got that. We've got this and the 4x8 foot pole, so there's your full extension. You suddenly come up to a window that really is tall. You don't want to carry big long poles with you, so you take the final section out and then you've got that extra reach, and like this, you put your angle arm on or use it as a straight pole and you've got way more reach, okay? And the other advantage is it's plastic, and right up high you can really get that perfect angle to the window and close out because of the plastic. Why have we done this? Because I think 90% of route work, like window cleaning, shop work, should be done like this. A little guy like me, I'm 5'8", I can reach most windows like that, but more importantly, big guys like Carl, they have problems. They have problems down low. So down low, without bending, we can go down low and do that. And I believe a lot of window cleaners are just using this one-handed. So I don't suggest that because it's going to be a bit taxing on your body, but that's how light this is. It's light, it's flexible, it is a really mean tool to use as far as speed is concerned. Put an angle arm onto it, or we have another version to it, which is with this compound angle. Once you use a compound angle, you'll never use anything else because there's a cranking action. When you put a cranking action on the squeegee, every turn becomes easy. It's like a car crank that pushes the squeegee around, and that in turn on a window is very lightweight. You put this now one-handed, just 2 fingers, I can show you that this will clean a window with one hand.